if you want to turn on or turn off your iPhone 16e, so first of all, we have to locate our power button. It's right here on the right side of our phone. And as for our other side, here we have our active button, right, and volume down and volume up button. So to summon our power off menu, hold your power button plus volume down or volume up button. It doesn't matter. So at this point, now let's slide to power off. And OK, and our phone is off. Now give it a couple minutes to be powered off. When it is, now let's hold our power button once again and hold it until you'll see your Apple icon right here. Now simply give your phone a minute to load up. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.